now I just finished doing a calculation for wallpaper when you're buying wallpaper in yards, and I think there is a small detail that some people may need a help with, and that detail is called pattern repeat. I will link a video to explain what pattern repeat is. However, in this moment, we are going to go ahead and do another calculation taking in consideration pattern repeat. Now I'm using the same wall. However, there's a minute change to the wall. This wall has a ceiling height that is 10 feet 6 inches and a width that's 12 feet with a little window 2 by 2. Still, let's pretend we're using a wallpaper that is 2 feet wide. The first thing we need to do is take our width and divide that by 2 feet. And that is 6. Now we do that because we need to find how many widths of this 2 feet wallpaper we will need to go across the wall. Now the next thing we'll do is check out what our pattern repeat is. I'll link the video for you so you can go look for your pattern repeat. However, I am going to use a pattern repeat that is 6 inches. What we'll do with that pattern repeat is 6 inches. We will take this 6 inches pattern repeat, go ahead and add it to 10 feet 6 inches, which is the height of the wall. So that's plus 6 inches, and here we have 11 feet 0 inches. Now what we'll do next is take our 11 feet and multiply that by 6. That's 66 feet. Now in order to find out how many yards of wallpaper we need, we go ahead and take our 66 feet and divide that by 3. And we divide 66 by 3 because there are 3 feet in a yard. And remember, we're buying the wallpaper by the yard, right? So that's 3 into 6, 2, and 3 into 6, 2. So we need 22 yards of wallpaper, including our pattern repeat, and that will cover the entire wall. Now suppose you are buying wallpaper in feet, then you don't have to divide by 3. We already have our feet here, so you would need 66 feet of wallpaper in order to cover the entire wall. Now you can use this format here and do your calculation for all the walls in your home if you wanted to cover all the walls in your home. Let me know what you think, guys. Go ahead and drop your comments and your questions below. Also like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, remember to turn on that bell notification, because then you will be able to get notice of new videos when they are live. You take care now. I will see you in the next video.